Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a very specific golf cart accessory, the Jerbor golf cart soundbar mounting T-bracket. If you're looking to upgrade your golf cart sound system, this T-shaped speaker mount might just be what you need, so let's break it down. The Jerbor T-bracket is designed for a range of soundbars including the SE18, SE26, SEB26, and SEDS 32 models. It's made from heavy-duty steel, which gives it serious durability. Jerbor has emphasized quality control, so each bracket is built and tested to meet performance standards. Which means you're getting a product that should last and handle everyday use on your golf cart. Installation is fairly straightforward thanks to the extensive screw spacing. The T-bracket is compatible with both front and rear factory struts, as well as most golf cart tops that feature metal tracks or bracing. That flexibility is a big plus if you want a secure and versatile mounting solution. The bracket comes as a set with all the necessary screws included, packaged in a protective box. So you don't have to worry about missing hardware or damage during shipping. One key feature is its lightweight design. Even though it's made from steel, the bracket is crafted to avoid unnecessary bulk, helping it hold your soundbar without adding excessive weight to your cart roof. Jerbor also provides professional guidance for installation issues, so if you run into a problem, their support team is ready to help. In terms of dimensions, the bracket measures 16.53 inches by 5.1 inches, with a height of 1.5 inches, and it weighs just over a pound. That's compact enough to fit comfortably on most golf cart roofs while being strong enough to hold your soundbar steady. So, if you're looking for a solid, durable, and flexible mounting solution for your golf cart soundbar, the Jerbor T-bracket is a strong contender. With professional packaging, included hardware, and quality steel construction, it's designed to make mounting your soundbar both simple and reliable. That wraps up our look at the Jerbor golf cart soundbar mounting T-bracket. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product breakdowns. And let us know in the comments what golf cart accessories you want us to review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.